Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make Southern classic coleslaw. Oh my goodness, it's hot outside and it's time to crank up the grill. And what better side dish to go with anything on the grill? Barbecue, grilled, burgers, hot dogs, you name it. Coleslaw. This is a creamy southern coleslaw. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back and it's time to go over our ingredients. Now, I will have all the ingredients in the description so that you can make it in your kitchen too. The star of the dish, our coleslaw mix, which is pretty much green cabbage and carrots. At least that's what's in this bag. It's just pre-cut cabbage and pre-cut carrots. So feel free to cut your own carrots and dice up your own cabbage. Now, this only has the green cabbage and the carrots in it. And if anybody, you guys been with me long enough, those of you all who have, know that I like color in my dish. So I've got a red cabbage here and we're going to cut up some of this and I'm going to show you how to cut it so it'll come out in the same manner as what's in the bag. You're also going to need a lemon, mayo, sour cream, salt, pepper, a little apple cider vinegar. You don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use regular vinegar, be just fine, and a little bit of sugar. Okay, like I said, the exact measurements and all the ingredients will be in the description. So I'm going to bring you guys up closer and let's go ahead and start by getting our cabbage prepared. Okay, so we don't need a lot of the red cabbage, so I'm going to take off a leaf or two. Just like that, toss that aside. And just you want to kind of just peel them off. If they tear, it's okay. We're getting ready to cut it. Okay, set the other half of it aside. Take your two pieces, put them together, and start from one side, not the end, but one of the sides. And you want to roll it up. Roll it up pretty tight, as tight as you can. Make sure you stretch those leaves out so you can roll it up real fine. And it should look like this. Okay? Then you just want to sit it down and you're just going to slice it in very, very, very thin slices. Make sure you go all the way through. And what this creates is the little shreds. Same kind of little shreds that you have in your actual coleslaw bag mix. Once you get them all cut like this, you may find that some of them are a little bit longer than you would want. And if that's the case, you can just take a group of them and slice them right down the middle. And that'll just cut the strips in half and they'll be smaller like this, which will fit what you're doing with your other coleslaw mix just a tad bit better. Just slice them right down the middle. Then you'll have a bunch of shreds. Okay, go ahead and get this into the bowl. Now from here, we're going to add in our bag of coleslaw mix. Let's go ahead and dump it in. Because I added that purple cabbage in, I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir. If I didn't add the purple cabbage in, this wouldn't be necessary. Now sometimes you can find bags that already have the purple cabbage in it. And when I find those are the ones I like to buy. See how pretty that is already? All that color in there. Okay, now from here, we're going to add in our mayo, and I am using Hellman's mayo, not Duke's. Every time I use Hellman, I get people telling me, why didn't I use Duke's? Well, I use Hellman's because I like Hellman's. It's as simple as that. I like Hellman's. Okay, set that aside. Now we're going to go in with some sour cream. And if you don't like sour cream, you can replace it with yogurt. Won't be quite the same, but you can replace it with yogurt. Go ahead, put in your sugar. Sprinkle in a little salt. Of course, salt and pepper is always to your taste. We're going to add in some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can just use regular vinegar. You just need about a spoonful. And our lemon. So we're going to slice this in half here. I'm just wasting everything. Go ahead and squeeze your lemon in. I always squeeze it through a strainer so that if there's any seeds, I can catch them. Okay, so now from here, you want to just go in and make sure it is mixed really, really well. After you have it mixed really well, you want to make sure you refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. That's going to give that lemon juice and that vinegar time to react with your mayo and sour cream, and that's what's going to turn this dressing into a nice creamy coleslaw. But you need to have it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes prior to serving so that it can get nice and creamy. So I'm going to go ahead. And this is what it looks like going into the refrigerator. I'm going to sit this whole bowl in the refrigerator. Then we're going to come back, plate it up, and you can see just how it looks. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. And so here we go. Nice and creamy. Now I'm going to plate this up in another bowl and we're going to do a taste test. But before we do that, it's time for us to add in our black pepper. You want to add this in last, after it comes out of the refrigerator, before serving. Again, black pepper, just like salt, to your taste. Okay, oh my goodness, it smells delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this dish. Oh, okay. Doesn't this look amazing? Look at all the colors. You can see the black pepper in there. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's do a taste test. Ooh, okay guys, doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness, delicious, delicious, delicious. So, we're going to do a taste test right quick, but like I said, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and for everyone, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and share it out. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's creamy. And it's just the right amount of dressing. It's not so creamy that it's soggy, but it's nice and creamy. And with that mayo and that sour cream, you got that southern flair in there. Just the right amount of salt and pepper. I need some barbecue now. Whoa, this is absolutely delicious. Please share the video out and tell everybody you know. I need a little more. That Pam at Cooking at Pam's Place is over here cooking up easy, simple, made from scratch meals that you can make in your kitchen too. Oh my goodness, spread the word, spread the word. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.